So my red flags start with if you're in love with your own science. I all the time see people who the inventor is the CEO. They are not only in love with their device, but all the science and technology around it, and they assume everybody else is going to be, including the FDA. They also assume that things are obvious about the connections between their science and the device. And I will tell you right now, the FDA does not believe in the transitive property of math. To prove A equals B and B equals C, therefore A equals C, you have to show your math in between every step, and they're not going to make assumptions or conclusions about the validity of your science and then how it applies to your device. I've also seen, the inventor CEO that is so in love with their science and technology, they surround themselves with like-minded people or other scientists and don't balance out the skill sets that you need to really run a business. And so you really need to balance the team with people who have complementary skill sets, particularly ones, and you have to be very self-aware because you have to know what you are missing as a person or a leader and fill and build your team around that. And then lastly is thinking that your product has to do all the things that you invented it for all at one time and not be willing to make necessary potential sacrifices based off of what is your market need and validation, what is your regulatory strategy and the FDA validation and pathway.